Hello Austin, Dr. Leeman here. Just want to remind you what's coming up very shortly. We will all as a country be celebrating Mother's Day. I want to say happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. You're such an important part of the family unit. Without moms, who knows, this country would fall apart. So again, thank you moms as we come upon Mother's Day and we celebrate the person that you are. I know a lot of you out there are wondering what to get mom for Mother's Day. I have the answer for everyone out there. We have 3 kits that are available from our basic starter kit for mom. That's priced very affordably at $229, all the way up here to the Big Daddy, which is a more customized, complete package. That's a little bit more at a higher price point. In addition, I want to let everyone know that we do have these awesome gift cards included in each basket, where mom can come in and get a treatment or product that she wants. Maybe that wasn't in the package, but she has that option because we give the gift card in each one of these baskets. So again, happy Mother's Day, stay safe. We can arrange this for you to come by and pick it up, or we could arrange a hands-free delivery. However we need to get this package to mom, just let her know that you're thinking about her, caring about her, and that you love her. You all be safe out there. We'll see you soon. Bye.